welcome back to another tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll show you how you can reset your computer or your PC. So whenever you want to sell your PC, so you want to delete all the files inside your PC, so you want to reset your PC. So how you can do that? Just follow me here and you will learn it easily. Just come here, search here, reset, select reset. From here you can see reset this PC, select, and you can, from these two files, you can, this option, just select the option that you want, keep my files or remove everything. Just select remove everything, and then your PC will be reset, and whatever is inside your computer, all of them will be deleted, and you can have nothing on your computer. So I'll cancel this and close this window. So this is all from this module. See you in the next module of this course.